Welcome to the future of innovation. In our latest YouTube video, we are excited to share with you 15 mind-blowing inventions available for purchase on internet marketplaces such as Amazon in 2025. No matter if you are interested in innovative tech tools to help you manage your life more easily and conveniently, or mind-blowing tech ideas inspired from your favorite sci-fi movies, there is something for everyone on our list. The future is here, and we can't wait to show you what's coming to redefine your life. Number 1. Matic Robot Vacuum. The Matic Robot Vacuum comes with a focus on privacy, speed, and quietness. It relies on 5 RGB infrared cameras and an AI neural network mapping out 3D space locally, keeping users' information anonymous. It comes with a self-cleaning mop and vacuum system where the main brush is tangle-free and the mop has a self-cleaning mop roll, lifting off automatically on carpets. It comes with a suction of 3,200 pascals, perfect for deep cleaning and pet hair removal, working quietly at just 55 decimals. It's uniquely tall at 7.8 inches, rectangular, and comes with a 1-liter disposable trash bag, doing away with the need for a cluttered dock. It lacks the ability to sweep low furniture, but performs efficiently. Number 2. AIGSM AI Mobile Hub. The AI Mobile Hub is a hardware device that is portable and aims at improving worldwide communication with the use of AI capabilities. It translates video communication, phone calls, and face-to-face conversations in real time and translates over 140 languages. It also has the capability of automatically translating and summarizing conversations. Additionally, the AI Mobile Hub allows the searching and review of meetings. This is different from other similar products because the AI capabilities come with the purchase and don't require any subscription or charges. It is Bluetooth 6.0, enabled with dual microphones and audio capabilities that perfectly connect with wireless earbuds. Additionally, the device's 25-hour battery and portability make it the best for travel and global communication for businesses. Number 3. Sarapus Sleep Aid System. Sarapus Sleep Aid System is a comprehensive wellness device designed to induce relaxation and aid sleep using light, sound, and electromagnetic waves. It produces a continuous 7.83 Hz Schumann wave, intended to induce a persistent state of alpha waves in the brain. Sarapus utilizes the relaxing sound waves of alpha waves and background noise to block off disturbing surroundings, and a pulsating breathing light is also provided to induce relaxation through a visual signal. Somnofractal visuals form the additional relaxing stimuli. There are 7 personalized programs for various sleep conditions, such as stress-related insomnia or an overactive brain, developed on a free online analysis test. Its ease of operation, with limited physical interfaces, ensures the effortless incorporation of relaxing practices into the bedtime routine. Number 4. R3 AL Earbuds. The R3 AI earbuds are revolutionary wireless earbuds for perfect communication and uncompromising audio. Equipped with real-time AI translation, they provide bidirectional, face-to-face conversations in multiple languages, including live recording and transcription. Their innovative charging case also doubled as a dual external speaker, which allowed music to be played directly from the case. With Bluetooth 6.0 aboard, the earbuds feature both stable connectivity and high-quality audio. Users with multipoint can enjoy seamless switching between 2 active devices, say a phone and a laptop. Furthermore, a dedicated app offers personalized sound settings, equalizer adjustments, and voice commands. Thus, the R3 AI earbuds have turned into an essential accessory for travelers, people at work, and everyday listeners who want convenience combined with sophisticated smart technologies. Number 5. Honeywell Home X8S. The Honeywell Home X8S is an intelligent Wi-Fi thermostat that offers integrated temperature control, air quality sensing, and seamless smart home connectivity. Its 5-inch touch display is fully customizable, and users can personalize their screens through colors, clock, and weather views. Designed to be fully integrated with video doorbell cameras, this thermostat enables live video streaming and 2-way audio directly on its display. It tracks humidity, VOCs, and estimated CO2 concentrations, including ventilation control for better air indoor activity. It includes radar-based occupancy sensing, automatically adjusting convenience features when set for home, and automatically conserving energy when left unattended. Made Matter compatible, this device is fully integrated with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home. It is also ENERGY STAR certified and features adaptive recovery features, proactive alert notifications for HVAC systems, and smart home control from its First Alert mobile application to save up to $204 annually. Number 6. Penguins Innovate White Rabbit. The Penguins Innovate White Rabbit is an innovation in itself, being a 3-in-1 AI companion robot, incorporating mobility, lighting, and audio-visual interaction. Unlike all traditional robots that are stationary, this product glides on the air path, which is an adjustable carbon fiber track, following the user and providing lighting and audio exactly when and where it is needed. It also adjusts lighting from task-oriented lighting to ambient and party lighting, including syncing with one's biological clock. It contains 2 audio speakers with high fidelity and 360-degree VR cameras, allowing audio interaction, home security surveillance, virtual conference, and live broadcasting. It also sports an AI that has the capability of processing images instantly, interacting through gestures, and learning behavior, performing all fundamental processing within the device, promoting confidentiality. The White Rabbit will self-optimizing, thus being intelligent and user-centered. Number 7. Hansmaker D1 Ultra. Hansmaker D1 Ultra are a dual-beam laser engraver and cutter, having immense precision and versatility. Boasting a 30-watt fiber laser, compatible with stainless steel and aluminum, along with a 20-watt diode laser, supportive of wood, acrylic, and leather materials, it is capable of engraving at a speed of up to 10,000 mm square, displaying remarkable precision due to a 0.03 by 0.03 mm fiber laser spot size. Boasting a wood cutting capacity of 17 mm and acrylic of 15 mm, Hansmaker D1 Ultra is safe to operate as it is designed as a Class 1 laser product, having a completely closed system along with interlocks and emergency stops. There is also an integrated 16-megapixel high-definition camera facilitating real-time following and intelligent autofocus for accurate positioning. Hansmaker D1 Ultra supports M+ software and Lightburn, along with Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, having a working area of 220 by 220 mm, which can be expanded to 220 by 800 mm. Number 8. Tobin 1 Ultra Slim Magnetic Hub. Tobin 1 Ultra Slim Magnetic Hub is a modular customizable hub solution catering to contemporary ways of working. It has a slim base with 3 or 4 magnetic slots to easily dock different functional modules according to demand. This feature enables you to upgrade, downgrade, or change the type of ports according to the developments in technology with minimal waste. The base has a USB Type-C port, offering a maximum power delivery capacity of 100 watt, which will be about 87 watt to charge the laptop, while USB-C ports carry a maximum data transfer capacity of 15 watt each, with USB 3.0 versions transferring data at a speed of 5 gigabits per second. Other functional modules available include wireless charging, USB Type-A, USB Type-C, combo ports, volume control, or macro keys with metal panels, matte black tops, and robust magnets. Number 9. Strut F1. The Strut F1 is an artificially intelligent smart mobility vehicle that provides freedom, safety, and smart assistance. The Strut F1 has an EviSense and Copilot control system that comprises 25 sensors such as 360-degree LiDAR, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and time-of-flight sensors that create a 3D map of its surroundings. The Strut F1 provides 3 smart drive assist functionalities. Drive, where you can fully control the joystick. Support, where you can assist in maneuvering through small spaces. And Glide, where you semi-automatically change direction and speed. The Strut F1 moves through grass, gravel, and uphill terrain through its quad-drive motor setup of 4 independent motors. The Strut F1 disassembles into 5 pieces that are easier to carry. The Strut F1 provides safe and long-lasting battery backup through an LFP battery. The Strut EV1 provides voice control and experimental head control. Number 10. Nex Lawn Master X. Nex Lawn Master X redefines the concept of robotic lawn maintenance with its intelligent cutting combined with a versatile robotic arm. Based on a heavy-duty, high 25cm, four-wheel drive platform, the folding arm can be lowered to as low as 44.5cm or stretched horizontally as far as 1 meter, allowing for a height of 77cm for elevated agricultural tasks. Its multifunctional attachments ensure this product does not merely cut grass, but can be used for far more. With a multi-gripper attachment for collecting sticks, toys, pine cone collection, or even fruit-vegetable harvesting. Other attachments offer a trimmer head with edge-cutting disc functionality for precise cutting without corners, a problem always associated with robot lawnmowers. Nex Detect, a cutting-edge navigation solution combining LiDAR sensorization with stereo vision, ensures precise, cable-free mapping, cutting through complex garden terrain without hitting a single obstacle in its path. Number 11. Even Realities. G2. The G2 features micro-LED projectors and waveguide-based lenses, enabling a private monochrome green display of 640 by 200 resolution, always visible, even in bright sunlight. Powered by the Even AI assistant, the G2 allows for real-time transcription, translation from among 31 languages, and contextual insights via voice command or smart ring. Turn-by-turn directions, a teleprompter, and more round out its feature set. At just 36 grams, the sleek magnesium alloy frame with titanium temples holds the G2 on its head for long periods of use without strain. There are no cams or speakers, of course, because the G2 maintains its users' confidentiality. Its battery has a life of up to 2 days, with a case providing 7 additional charges. At $599, the G2 will make users' heads turn for more than its style alone. Number 12. Kushikare Luminize. Kushikare Luminize is a Class 1 medical-grade light therapy tool for treating dry eye strain, and overall eye fatigue using patented low-level light therapy, LLLT. This product emits a precise tune of red light around 635 nanometers, with a focus on near-infrared light approximately 850 nanometers, mixed in a safe, consistent temperature of approximately 41.5 degrees Celsius. This light therapy tool works with gentle stimulation of meibomian glands that improve tear secretion along with stabilized tear films. In addition, it reduces inflammation, tear evaporation, and minimizes symptoms of dry eye such as dryness, irritation, red eye, and feeling of having a foreign object. Moreover, it aids in repair of ocular tissues. This light therapy tool can be easily used by a person for a short duration of 5 to 15 minutes daily, in an opportune home setting, with guiding voice commands along with soothing music for a pleasant experience. Number 13. Sandbar Stream Ring. The Sandbar Stream Ring is an AI-based wearable that functions like a mouse for voice, focusing on productivity and idea capture rather than monitoring physical or healthcare metrics. With voice-operated note-taking functions, users merely have to place the ring near their lips and whisper what they want to record. Their thoughts are immediately organized into neat notes that appear immediately inside an accompanying iOS app. Its innovative inner voice AI system can be trained to replicate the user's own voice for an authentic extension of oneself, rather than speaking to an anonymous chat robot. The device also functions as an accessory media controller for playing, pausing, skipping tracks, and changing volume levels with mere taps and swipes. It sports an aluminum casing and resin interior with glass touch-sensitive interfaces that provide rain resistance. Number 14. Switchbot K20 Pro. The Switchbot K20 Pro is a future-proof multitasking home robot based on the innovative Switchbot Fusion platform. It comes equipped with a mobile base featuring a proprietary claw lock system. This enables the user to easily mount and interchange different modules such as a security camera module, an air purifier module, or a circulating fan module. It also features a compact robot vacuum cleaner equipped with twin flow suction power. There are 4 different modes available in the vacuum cleaner. The device also comes equipped with a lightweight mopping function using a clip-on mopping pad. The device features advanced DTOF LiDAR and laser technologies. The device can automatically return to a self-emptying dust bag base that can last for a maximum of 70 days. The device comes equipped with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and Matter compatibility. It also supports home operations beyond cleaning. It can carry a payload of a maximum of 8 kilograms. The device can be considered a mobile personal assistant designed for performing various home tasks. Number 15. Odubbi Pro. The Odubbi Pro has a multifunction 360-degree dual laser leveling device intended for both professional installations and DIY users. This innovative 360-degree dual laser leveling device enables both vertical and horizontal line projections through 2 different apertures. Its superior negative 60 kilopascals vacuum mounting system provides a secure hold on glass, marble, tiles, wood, drywall, and even concrete. With an LCD real-time display, it easily tracks suction pressure, battery life, and loads at a glance. The 360-degree rotatable spirit level bubble also enables quick angle positioning for stairs and inclined installations. It has a superior battery life of 3,600 mAh, which supports 13 to 15 continuous use hours at a very affordable price. And that is the end of our list of 15 next-level inventions available for purchase online in 2025. From innovative tech to future tech, these inventions show just how rapidly our world is changing. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe for more shocking discoveries. Additionally, please comment on which invention amazed you the most. Thank you for watching.